Hey, what's up, guys? This is Drew from Passive Profits. Today we're going to be going over one of my favorite investing apps called M1 Finance. There are just a few simple steps to get started with M1. Right now, M1 Finance is available to you. If you want to invest like the rich, come on and create an M1 account now. Download the M1 Finance app down in the description below with the referral link, and you will get the money that M1 is giving away. In the description below, when you click that, you will be taken to M1 Finance. You will get $30 when you invest your first $100 when you sign up. You will be guided through a process to build your portfolio or pie. You must use this referral link to get $30 free. You may choose to create a custom pie. There are expert pies as well. There is a variety of ETFs and stocks offered on the M1 Finance platform. You can also choose, as I was saying, from a variety of expert pies that are designed by M1 Finance that offer templates for ideal pie creations. Your pie may contain one stock or up to 100 stocks. When you create an account, they will need information like your name and email address. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Once your account is open, you will be guided to create your brokerage account. This is where you will put in your personal information and decide which type of investment account you are going to open up. Individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, etc. You may open up multiple types of accounts if you like. During this step, they will ask you questions about your investing experience. They will also ask for more personal information like your address and social security number. This is because M1 Finance is required to verify your identity and report your investment activity to the IRS. You can learn more about M1 Finance taxes in the M1 Finance app under Help. All right, step 3. Link your bank account and build your pie. After you have set up your M1 Finance account, you will be able to link your bank account and begin funding your account. M1 Finance requires a minimum deposit of $100, $500 for retirement accounts to begin investing. You already have built your pie in previous steps, or you choose to invest in an expert pie. Your money will automatically be invested across your portfolio based on your target allocations. If you earn dividends or add money to your account, that money will be invested as soon as your cash balance exceeds $10. You can turn off this auto invest feature at any time. You can also automate your deposits to put your portfolio on autopilot. For example, investing $500 every Monday into your account. Building a portfolio. If you are new to M1 Finance, you may want to consider a steady entry into the market. In the investment community, we call this dollar cost averaging. This is simply investing your money into your portfolio over a period of time rather than all at once. We talk a great deal about dollar cost averaging in our beginner guides to the stock market. Say you have $100,000 to invest. You may want to invest just $5,000 into the market every month for 20 months. By doing so, you're lowering your risk of investing into a overheated market. When you invest over time using dollar cost averaging, you have less risk of getting in at the top of the market. However, the disadvantage to dollar cost averaging is that you may miss out on exceptional market performance by not being fully invested during that period of time. Say, the crash of COVID Many financial professionals and seasoned investors would agree that dollar cost averaging is the way to go. This is cool. Smart rebalancing is another feature on M1 financing. Using smart rebalancing, all deposits will be automatically invested into your pie without your manual input. If you withdraw money from your account, M1 will automatically rebalance your pie so it has the correct weight of your holdings at all times. M1 Finance is a member of a financial industry regulatory authority, FINRA for short or for an acronym, and the Securities and Investors Protection Corporation, SIPC for an acronym. SIPC insures your account in the event that M1 Finance goes out of business or financially is insolvent. SIPC insures your M1 Finance account up to $500,000 in coverage and $250,000 for cash. The platform also uses top-of-the-line cybersecurity and encryption measures to keep your account secure. There have yet to be any significant hacks of the M1 Finance platform, while other platforms like Robinhood have seen multiple hacks take place. Alright, that's all for this short review. Please click the link in the description below if you want to receive $30 when you deposit your first $100. You must use a referral link to get your money. Okay, it's free money. You can either use mine or someone else's, but you must use a referral link. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you found any value. Thank you.